Welcome guys, my name is Science Surufi and today in this video we are going to talk about the benefits of mock test and test series. Why mock tests are very crucial whenever you are preparing for any competitive exams. These competitive exams are not like your semester exams where you get a very precise syllabus, very regular set of question papers and all. In competitive exams, the question level are bit different. The questions are random. It is based on the syllabus, but there your intellect, your intelligence is mostly judged. So you cannot like memorize anything. You have to practice. You have to practice a lot to be familiarized with the problems so that you can attempt them precisely in the actual test. So today I'll be talking about 10 benefits of taking mock test or rather test series. So let's start with the first point. The first point, actually I have written them down so that I don't miss any point. First point is familiarity with the exam format. You know, in each examination, whether it is CSIR NET, GATE, JEST or TFR, the exam pattern is different. So if you just prepare, because syllabus is more or less similar, like if you cover the CSIR NET syllabus, all the other syllabus like GATE, JEST, TFR is automatically covered. But the exam pattern in those exams are not same, they are different. So if you directly go to that examination without practicing the real exam like interface, you will not be able to cope up. So mock test or rather test series give you an opportunity to be familiar with the exam format. So this is the very first point and very crucial point. Let's go to the second point, which is time management. You know, in your examination you will be allotted 3 hours for the CSIR NET exam, GATE exam also. So we can take on an average you are allotted 3 hours of time. Now in one go you may think that 3 hours are not sufficient for you to solve all those problems, because let's take a problem, you take a physics problem and you try to solve, you will take maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So if you go in that speed, you will not be able to attempt many questions. So time management is very necessary, and that will come after giving repeated mock test. After giving repeated mock test, you will get an idea about how to manage time in each question. Like in one question, you will calculate like how much time you should give in one question. Sometimes it may be 2 minutes per question, or 3 minutes per question, or 5 minutes per question, or 10 minutes per question, depending on the question level and the requirement, like how much you are targeting for to attempt in that particular examination. Okay, so this is the second point, time management, which is very crucial. Third point, assessment of strength and weaknesses. We know that we are all students, and whenever we are preparing for a particular exam, all the syllabus, the complete syllabus, we cannot cover with equal potential. Let's take the example of CSIR NET. There are total 9 units, and there will be, I think, less than 1% of students who cover 10 units like equally. So on an average, you can take a picture like 5 to 6 units from the 9 units will be very strong, and the remaining 4 units will be average or below average. So that is completely fine. That is also sufficient to get a good JRF rank or good score in the examination. That is not an issue. So by giving the mock test, in mock test you will get questions from each and every section, and while attempting the question you will feel like what are your weak subjects and what are your strong subjects. Let's say you prepare very well for electromagnetic theory, but sometimes attempting question from electromagnetic theory becomes very bit challenging as compared to attempting question of thermal and statistical physics. On the other hand, attempting question from quantum mechanics may be little bit challenging rather than attempting questions of mathematical physics. So by giving mock test, you will realize like which subjects are your strong subjects and which subjects are your weak subjects. So in this way, you will be able to distinguish your weak part and strong parts. And once you get a clear vision about your strong and weak areas, you are 50% done. Let's go for the fourth point, that is very crucial point, stress management. You know, many students, they take their preparation, complete the syllabus, practice a lot, but they don't learn how to manage the stress. And as a result, in the examination, maybe in the first half an hour, they get so nervous or anxious that they spoil the whole examination. So if you want that that should not happen, then you should practice some mock test and you should join some test series to cope up with the stress management. Number 5, realistic performance evaluation. In test series, what happens, we design, or the mock test designer design the questions according to the real exam. Okay, in real exam, let's take the case of CSIR NET exam. There are 3 parts: part A, part B, part C. Part A 20 questions, out of which you have to attempt 15 questions. Part B maybe 25 questions, out of which you have to attempt 20 questions. And part C, there are 30 questions, out of them you have to attempt 20 questions. So total 75 questions will be there. So it will give you an idea. Whenever you are attempting a mock test, you get a realistic exam like interface, okay, exam like feeling, and maybe out of, let's say, 200, how much you are scoring. In different mock tests, you will score maybe 90, 100, 110 or 60, 70, 80, whatever is your capacity. And in that way, by giving mock tests, you will get an idea about your realistic performance. Whatever is your performance in the mock test, you will get similar marks in the mock test. I have also experienced this. Whatever marks I used to score in the mock test, I got even better marks in the test itself. Actually, it depends upon the level of the question, but on an average, we can say whatever average marks you are getting in the mock test, you will be getting similar marks in the real exam also. Next point, practice and revision. Mock tests offer you an opportunity to practice a wide range of problems, many problems, different types of problems. In this way, you strengthen your numerical ability, which help you in the actual exam day. Next point, confidence building. Actually, this point is complementary to the stress management. If you learn how to manage your stress, you automatically gain confidence. And when you start your examination with higher confidence than your fellow aspirants, your chance of scoring more is bit high. Your chance of qualifying that examination becomes more higher, or rather higher. Okay. Number 8, error analysis. Mock test give you an opportunity to look at your errors. What kind of error you are making? Is it due to conceptual error, or simple calculation mistake, or any other lack of seriousness, or any other thing? So you can note down all of your errors in a copy, and you can judge on that. You can give some time to improve them. Until and unless you improve or work on your error, you will not grow. Okay. So it gives you an opportunity to analyze your error. Look, different students make different kinds of error. Few students make simple calculation error, few students make some conceptual error, few students make some other kind of error. So mock test give you an opportunity to analyze those errors. Number 9, adaptive strategy. Look, whenever you are appearing for the examination, in one go it may think, what is there, or what is there in that. A proper strategy is very important on the day of the examination. And if you think that I will decide that just before 2-3 days of the examination, that is not going to work. You will mess up in the examination day. There are very slight chance of getting things in a proper way. So you should make your strategy 2-3 months before. And mock test and the other test series are a very good weapon or tool to work on that. Here you will be giving your mock test, and after analyzing your mock test, you will understand like what part should I attempt first, part A or part B or part C. Look, for different students, different sections may be suitable for them. For you, part A may be suitable to attempt first, part B may be suitable to attempt first, or part C may be suitable to attempt first. So until and unless you give sufficient mock test, you will not be able to develop an adaptive strategy. So it gives you and that helps you to design your proper strategy for the exam day. Once you design your strategy, stick to that, and on the real exam day, whatever be the situation, stick to that until unless some very unusual situation happens. Stick to that. Number 10, the last point, competitive edge. Actually, this point is I think you will be able to understand very easily. Once you practice questions, give mock test, lot of mock tests, you are already become superior than your fellow aspirants who are not giving enough mock test. So this gives you a competitive edge to your fellow students as compared to the fellow students. So as many tests as you give before your real examination, you build up confidence, you get adaptive strategy, you get to find your strong point, weak points, and you get to work on your weak areas, and you work on them, and you get a proper preparation for the examination. So these 10 points you should keep in mind before attempting the test series, and I think these tips will help you a lot. Now in the next section, I'll be telling you that many of you already know and many of you do not know that I have launched my app and website, and the first thing I have launched is the mock test. Okay, mock test as a test series. I have launched a test series at a very minimal price. This is a launch, so I did not keep a very high fee for this. It is only available at $4.99 till 15th of October, means tomorrow. So grab this opportunity. Now let me tell you how to utilize this mock test in the best possible way. Like in mock test, what I am giving to you. Okay, the mock test I have categorized into 4 sections, I think. Firstly, single unit test. Here each section test I am giving you, let's say mathematical physics, classical mechanics, EMT. In this way, total 10 tests I am giving you. 10 tests means total 9 units are there, 9 units plus 1 general aptitude. General aptitude also included, so total 10 units. So 10 tests you will get single unit test, and 10 questions will be there, so total 100 questions you will get. And what I have done in the next section, that is by unit test. Here 2 units will be added. Let's say mathematical physics and electronics, classical physics and atomic molecular. In this way 2 units added. So how many tests will be there? Total here 5 tests will be there, and 5 tests, and here also in each test there will be 20 questions. So here also you will be getting 100 questions in total. Then there is tri-unit test. So here 3 units are combined together. So here you will be getting 3 tests, and 30 questions each, so total 90 questions. Then after that I have also designed half syllabus test. Okay, so 2 tests will be there, and in each test there will be 50 questions, so total 100 questions, and each test will cover 50% of the syllabus, okay, including general aptitude. And in this way, how many times you will get to revise your whole syllabus? 4 times. During single unit test 1 time, by unit test 2 times, tri unit test 3 times, and half syllabus test 4 times. So before giving the full length mock test, you are revising your whole syllabus 4 times. Okay, look, the single unit test will take your time to cover them, and once you cover, then again you are giving the same thing. So it will not take much time. Third unit test, tri unit test will not take much time. Half syllabus test would not take much time. Only the combination is changing, and in the first go you are already covering your whole syllabus. Last 5 full length test, and this will cover the whole syllabus. So total in each set there will be 75 questions and 5 tests, so around 375 will come. So in total there will be around 760 plus questions in this test series. Okay, and in this full length test the question paper will be similar to the real examination. Part A, part B, part C will be divided, and the marks distribution will also be similar. Okay, and let me tell you, new questions will be given to you. Okay, questions from the standard books, from multiple standard books will be set for the examination. Otherwise, if I give only PYQs, then that doesn't make any sense. So you should practice new problems. So mostly new problems will be given. Now previous year questions are very important. Okay, so there must be some very important and crucial previous year questions, so they will be modified a little bit and will be given to you, and mostly new questions will be given to you, taken from multiple standard textbook like Griffiths and Arfken and many other books, so that there may be some chance that you get direct questions, because you know in the previous years we have seen that many questions came directly from the standard books like Erwin Kesjik and all those books. So we are trying to do that so that there may be some chance to get direct questions. Okay, and that is not our ultimate goal. Our ultimate goal is to practice new questions so that you get to prepare for the examination in a very good manner. Okay, so this is about test series, and as I told you, as this is a launch, so I have kept it very minimal price, 499 rupees, and this offer is valid till 15th of October, means this Sunday. After that, this price will be increased. And let me tell you the expiry date of this test series. The test series will expire on tentatively 31st December 2023, or if your examination gets postponed, then we will also postpone the expiry date. Okay, so in this way you will get the test series. Now how to utilize it? So you understood? Okay, let me tell you how to utilize the test series. Look, I'll be giving you three things. Firstly, the live test. Here you can attempt the test from the app, or you can also attempt it from laptop. In laptop, you will get exactly the same exam-like interface. The interface you will see in your examination, your real examination. In app, it is not possible, no? But it is same. Okay. Live test. So you will give test, and other than that, you will be getting question paper. Same test. It is given in the form of question paper PDF. Okay. And then solution PDF. So you can do it in this way. You first give the test. Let's say you give a single unit test. Let's say 4 quantum mechanics. Okay. Once you give the test, the solution will be available in the test itself. But I don't recommend that. You then come back to this solution PDF. Here all the questions are written in a very beautiful manner, and the solutions are also written. So once you give the test, you can get the solution here, and in the test itself, solution will be there. So solutions are available 2 places, inside the test and separately as PDF. So from there also you can check your performance from this solution PDF. It is available on app and laptop as well, at both places. And let's say you have already given this test, and you can attempt it unlimited times. It is not like you have attempt once, it doesn't go well, you will not get an opportunity. You can attempt it unlimited times. And let's say you don't want to give test, okay, in the online interface. You just want to practice. What you gonna do? Then you can open this question paper. Your only question paper is there. From the question paper, you can just practice, and later you can match your solution here. So in this test series will serve the purpose of both mock test and practice and revision. As I told you, 3 things will be taken care of. So you are solving your PIQs. So solve PIQs, whatever PIQs you can solve from June 2011 to this June 2023 you solve. Then you directly come to this test series, so that you get different varieties of problems, new problems, and if you combine them, then you will get a complete package of preparation. You know, CSIR NET examination, the cracking GRF, is not about how much you know. It's about how much you practice, how errorlessly you attempt questions. In the CSIR NET exam, accuracy is the most crucial thing. If you don't have sufficient accuracy, if you are very knowledgeable, you practiced a lot, you will not able to make it mostly. So you have to be very strong in terms of accuracy. At least your accuracy should be more than 85%. Once you achieve this, your chance of cracking this examination will be very high. Okay, and what left, I think I have covered almost everything. How to access it via app, how to use in laptop. Okay, now in the app and in the website you can access it. The app link is given in the description. App link, you can find it in the description. And about the website, you can also search it on the Play Store, Google Play Store, with Physics Hub, PHYSICXHUB, and you will get the app. Install the app and you will get, like, there will be two tab exam, and you will once you open it you will understand easily. There is nothing complicated. What about the website? You can visit this website, www.physics. This is our YouTube channel name, physicshub.in. So you visit this and you will see. Once you visit it, everything is given in a very simplified manner. Or if you face any problem, you can give me a message on WhatsApp, 7001439942. On this number you can send me WhatsApp message. Okay, if you get any query, or you can also send me an email if you have any query in this email ID. My name, sahinsorifi111@gmail.com. Okay, so I hope I have made all the points very clear. If you have any query, question, you can also let me know in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Finally, thanks for watching.